Hi there, my name's Doug Milburn. I am founder and I'm chairman of Advanced Glazings Limited. We make a translucent glass product line called Solera. So I'm making this video for Volvo dealers in North America who are considering what glass they wish to use inside their new Volvo build or renovation. First of all, let's talk about the Volvo dealership design. This whole design template is really distinctive, incredibly brand compatible. It's based on translucence, giving us a minimalist Scandinavian feel to it, highly compatible with a luxury but practical and safe car like Volvo. That translucent gives it a glow at night, and it also allows us to frame views, and when somebody's going by our buildings, their eye is automatically drawn into our display area where the building is a beacon and draws their eye and then focuses it onto the display. Anyway, absolutely beautiful design. So, and the basis of that is translucent, and the material choice and the status quo is acid-etched glass, and that's what it's based on, which is a great choice for a whole bunch of reasons. Great car dealership to an owner is going to have low operating costs. Through energy efficiency, we don't like paying heating and cooling bills. And the other thing, the car business is there's more and more pressure to be sustainable, to be green, and have a low carbon footprint. So those two things with proper design, proper material choices really work together. The other thing in a great dealership is comfort. Our human beings come in, two groups of human beings come in here. Customers come in here to buy a car. They want to be able to assess the purchase options. They come to look at Volvos. They want to be able to assess them and do so in comfort. And our employees come there and go to work, and they want to sell cars to the people that come in. To do that, they need a comfortable and practical environment to do that in. Your material choices will affect this dealership's suitability to sell cars. What's comfort mean? Two big parts to comfort. Number one is thermal comfort. We don't want it to be too cold on a cold, dark day, and we don't want it to be too hot when the sun's out in the middle of summer. We also don't want it to be too glary if our customers are squinting. Oh yeah, and that squinting and direct beam sunlight come together and to create something unpleasant. So we get, what's one to do? Conventional glass technology, vision glass especially, but also acid-etched glass, have inherent issues with glare and thermal discomfort. And the inevitability, if we don't control those things, is blinds. So we look at blinds. Number one, they're costly. Number two, they are unsightly. And they will take the edge off this truly, like, stunningly beautiful architecture that you are investing in. Wouldn't it be great in a perfect world if we could have that, all the good stuff of acid-etched glass, that timeless beauty, that elegance, that simplicity that it has, its translucent simplicity, and we could combine it with great insulation and then the ability to effectively diffuse light over a wide range of angles. This is what Solera is all about. Solera is new technology in glass. Well, new was like everything new in the building industry. It's got long roots. It's been around since about the year 2000. It's a proven material. Unlike acid-etched glass, Solera can have very high R value. You can choose R values up as high as R18 and R22, which are completely off the scale in terms of glass products. Incredibly energy efficient and really contribute to comfort and sustainability inside your dealership. Also, Solera is a near perfect light diffuser. So what that means is that incoming sunlight, instead of being glary when direct sun is on that side of the building, that light is spread out over the widest range of angles. It's got the least glare when you look at the Solera, and that light becomes soft, gentle, diffuse natural light that washes through your dealership and illuminates it perfectly and evenly. Your building looks great inside. People's eyes work perfectly. The color rendering index of sunlight is perfect by definition, and your cars that you're selling look their very best, and the colors are true to what they're designed to be outdoors. It's a spectacular environment. On top of that, it controls solar gain, gives you the optimum solar gain, the least amount of heat that you can possibly bring in for a given amount of sunlight. Smaller HVAC plant, lower cooling bills, but most important, your customers and your staff are going to be completely comfortable, even on the hottest summer days. And it's going to help create a retail environment for you that sells cars as effectively as possible. To date, there are 4 dealerships in Canada that have been built with Solera. These dealerships and the projects have been incredibly successful. The stores are selling well, most importantly. And also, the owners and occupants are incredibly happy with the look and the comfort level of the dealership that they have. So if you're seriously considering moving up to Solera in your renovation, we'd encourage you. You can talk to your Volvo themselves, you can talk to your architect, and we'd be very pleased to talk to you if you have any questions. So contact us at Advanced Glazings Limited, and here's our coordinates. Hope to hear from you.